How you doing, fellas? So, ladies and gentlemen, brother. So today we're gonna be doing a chain maintenance on the Vulcan 650S. What you're gonna need is a T30. You got one bit right here, and you got two on this side. One right here, one right here. So you can take this cover off to get to the chain. Now I already took the two off on that side. I'm taking this one off. I didn't want to get too far ahead of the process because I wanted you guys to see. Got one right here, so that's three. Then it looked like we got one more right here. So get that right there. So let's get that one. Stop it. You can stop it. Guys, look what we have here. The Ultimate Cleanup Kit by Maximum Racing Oils. We have the cleanup chain cleaner, the MPPL, multiple purpose penetrant lube, and a synthetic chain guard. So, and of course I have my chain brush so I can. And this, as you can see, this chain, so I got the bike in neutral. We got it put up on a bike stand. You're gonna need that. So you can turn this with your hand. And I know some people will turn the engine on and just let the chain turn itself, but you can be injured like that. Some people have got seriously hurt like that. So we don't suggest that you do that. But as you can see, we got rust on this chain. This chain is not very well taken care of. I purchased this bike about 2 weeks ago. So I'm just going through everything to make sure it's in proper running condition, because you got to remember, preventive maintenance keeps you from having bigger problems. Whenever you have a bigger problem or a bigger breakdown, it's because you didn't take care of something that was smaller. For instance, if your water hose is is messed up, your thermostat is messed up, your engine overheats and you don't get it fixed, your engine overheats a few more times, and then you blow a head gasket, now you need to replace the head gasket or the engine. So you need to always take care of your preventive maintenance. So we're going to get right into this. It says hose off mud and large debris with a steady stream of water. Spray maximum cleanup on chain. Allow cleanup to work for about 60 seconds. Rinse cleanup off chain. Spray chain liberally. Okay, so I gotta go hook my hose up real quick. Look at that. Clean up. Penetrated. Chain guard. I told my wife, she's sitting here filming. I said, this bike was happy I bought it. It ain't been taken care of like this. Huh?
No
I know she got some. Yeah, no comment.
No comment.
You get taken care of too.
No comment.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go hook this chain. I'm gonna spray this off. I don't think you see any dirt. Anything?
I don't think it need to be sprayed down with water.
So we're just gonna spray the chain with the cleanup. Did this have a strong? Don't look like it.
Okay.
Or maybe it did.
Just one of them did. Oh.
Both of them did. So, spray this thing down.
WD-40.
You can stop it, bro. All right, guys. Now we have administered the chain cleaner. We've used our little handy brushes. I mean, it didn't say use a brush, but I figure you can't go wrong. And we let it sit for about 2 minutes. So we're gonna hit it with the water hose and see what we get. Oh yeah, that's nice and clean. Woo. Get that. Look how clean that chain is. Now that's good. That's some good stuff. Yeah, I got it.
Of course, I'm the assistant manager of the shop.
Yeah, this is Melissa, my wife / assistant manager. She's in charge of spending the money.
Hello.
This thing looks so much better.
It really do. Nice and clean.
So now we're in step 2. We're gonna you stop, bro.
Spray.
All right, guys, we are at our last step, and we are now about to spray the synthetic chain guard on there. Now, it did instruct us to spray at the bottom of the chain, what they call inside the chain. So it instructed us to spray down here like this, because this actually is supposed to go inside the sprocket and have, protect it. Yeah, almost back around. Don't stop it yet. All right, guys, and there you have it. That is how you maintenance your chain. And all you got to do after that is just put your chain cover back on. You got a bolt right here, and on the other side, and on the other side. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. And we got a lot more stuff coming. I'm gonna be sharing how to save money on repairs on your car. It's very simple. Thank you. Have a great day and be safe.